The World Story series is designed for 6th through 8th grade students. World Story 1 focuses on the time frame of creation to the Roman Empire. The student text has 28 chapters, each full of colorful and inviting images. This is the resource for students to read from and reference. The Teacher's Guide is the resource for students to work and write within. It contains a Getting Started guide, the daily schedule, a helpful world map for students to reference, as well as student worksheets. What else is included within the Teacher's Guide? Review sheets, research aid worksheets, artifact studies, timeline supplements for easy reference, craft suggestions for a hands-on approach, and a grading rubric for writing assignments. An answer key is included as well. Many home educators remove the answer key from the Teacher's Guide in order to create an answer key resource for all of their students' subjects. A full-color timeline pack is also available for retention and applied learning. This is a great addition for students to utilize each week as they study. Let's walk through Chapter 3 together. The daily schedule has organized each chapter for 6 days of schoolwork. It's important to view the daily schedule to see what is assigned each day. On the first day of Chapter 3, students will read pages 26 through 28, stopping at the narration break. Students are encouraged to read Genesis 10, 1 through 2, and 11, 1 through 9 from their Bible, as noted within the student book. On the second day of Chapter 3, students will finish reading the chapter by covering pages 29 through 35, which completes the lesson. Students will read the Connect section and do a map study, followed by some questions to consider at the bottom of the page. Students will also focus on apologetics and archaeology and view colorful images with captions to connect everything they have learned. From there, they will also begin the introductory worksheet on pages 43 through 44. The introductory worksheet lists all needed materials for the chapter and includes the chapter narration prompts and responses, which are also found within the student book at each narration break. Students will read and respond to the written narration prompt. Answers will vary, but the answer key does give guidance. Within the vocabulary section, students are encouraged to write down a word they did not know or understand from the reading and to look up its meaning. On the third day of Chapter 3, students will complete Activity Sheet 1 from pages 45 through 46. On the World Quest Activity Sheet, students will read the prompts and write their answers. On the fourth day of Chapter 3, students will complete Activity Sheet 2 from pages 47 through 48. For this map adventure, students will study the map from their student text and answer the prompts. On the fifth day of Chapter 3, students will complete the chapter timeline on page 49. Students can also utilize their timeline pack by adding this chapter's image to their timeline on the wall or within their timeline book, such as Wonders of Old from Master Books. On the sixth and final day of Chapter 3, students will have a review day on page 50 with a Dig Deeper section. Students will find a variety of options available for their time of review. The daily schedule is suggested and adaptation is encouraged. Many Master Books families adapt each chapter to fit within a 4 or 5 day school week, changing up the reading and worksheet assignment order and or combining assigned days. You will find additional resource suggestions within the Master Books scope and sequence, which is available at masterbooks.com. World Story 1 is available in audio format and is easy to download.